Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week, we're talking about building a cohesive team at your automotive repair shop. Team building activities play a crucial role in forging strong bonds among your employees. A cohesive team is not only more efficient in tackling challenges, but also contributes to a harmonious work environment. In today's video, we will discover strategies for team building in your automotive repair shop. Team building events. Organize off-site team building events or things that allow employees to connect on a personal level. This can include activities like paintball, escape rooms, or even a simple picnic. These experiences can foster camaraderie and create lasting memories. Collaborative projects. Encourage collaboration through joint projects or initiatives. This not only enhances teamwork, but also allows employees to leverage each other's strengths and skills. A shared goal creates a sense of unity and purpose. Regular training sessions. Schedule regular training sessions that focus on team dynamics and communication skills. These sessions can help your employees understand each other better and work more efficiently as a cohesive unit. Employee wellness programs. Show that you care about your team's well-being by implementing wellness programs. This could include fitness challenges, health seminars, or even relaxation sessions. A healthy and happy team is a more productive one. In conclusion, fostering a cohesive team within your automotive repair shop is a strategic investment that yields numerous benefits. By utilizing the tips and strategies we presented in this video, you not only strengthen the bonds among your staff, but also enhance overall efficiency and productivity. A united team is better equipped to tackle challenges, deliver exceptional service, and contribute to a positive work environment. As automotive repair shop owners and professionals, prioritizing team cohesion is a key driver for success in a dynamic and ever-evolving industry. Embrace these strategies and watch as your unified team propels your shop to new heights of excellence. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.